Welcome. If you're tired of constant Gmail notifications popping up on your phone and want a little peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily disable Gmail notifications directly from your app settings. This guide is updated with the latest steps, so you'll be able to turn off those alerts in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Gmail app. You'll see your inbox right away, but don't worry about your emails for now. Our focus is on the settings. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a side menu with a list of options. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the settings option. It might be near the bottom, so keep scrolling if you don't see it right away. Once you spot it, tap on Settings to open up a new menu. Here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Tap on the email account for which you want to disable notifications. This will take you to a page with more options specific to that account. Look for the option labeled Manage Notifications. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of different notification settings. Finally, find the switch or toggle next to Allow Notifications. If it's turned on, simply tap it once to turn it off. You should see the switch move, and that means notifications are now disabled for this Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully silenced Gmail notifications. No more interruptions from new email alerts, unless you decide to turn them back on later. If you have multiple accounts, just repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.